Namaste everyone. This is Harsha Ramaiya live at 5. I'm so happy. 5 बजते ही मुझे आप लोग सब नजर आने लगते हो and I'm ready on this screen to welcome you all. So as I mentioned that I'm trying my hands on the podcasting also. So today, simultaneously, I'm going live on 3 pages. That is, one is the Small Wonders page, Small Wonders Facebook family group, and the podcast, which is right recorded here. So thank you, audience, for the love and the support and the kind of reach that my talk shows are getting. I'm really, really excited, humbled, and touched. So if you've not liked my page, please do it right now. So today's topic, Saturdays are dedicated specifically to the parents. So Saturdays, I really love to talk about parenting. I love to talk about parents because I myself am a parent and I strongly believe that there is nothing such as perfect parenting. So if you are running in that race to become a perfect parent, let me tell you that you are running on the wrong track because eventually and ultimately you will land up nowhere because ऐसी कोई destination है ही नहीं. So let's not strive towards making ourselves perfect every single day because as the generation is becoming very literate, as I find parents to be very literate, I find little misconceptions of terminologies also when it comes to parenting. So parents want to give the best to their children. And in this process, what happens is that we strive to look which does not exist at all. So perfection. You can be on the path or on the path of being perfect, but you cannot attain perfection in your life, specifically when you're a parent because there are a lot of styles, there are a lot of parenting tips, there are a lot of methods, and every child is unique. So it's very important for us to understand that let's not run the race which has no finishing point. So let's try and make every single day a happy day wherein we are happy in number one position because ultimately what happens if we are not happy, you cannot give anything that you don't have. So, first place, we need to be happy to emote happiness. So, today's topic that I have chosen 3 years back when I started my first video blogging. This was the topic that I had talked first on 4th of July 2017, and luckily today I picked up the same topic. So, this topic says praise appropriately. So here, these are two separate words, praise and appropriately. So what we tend to do, as parents, we tend to understand and put a full stop when it comes to the word praise. And we think that if we keep on praising the children, it will give them encouragement. So praise is such a tool that if not used sensibly, can harm more and can harm the most. So, this is the tool that we need to use very sensibly. And here, I think I want to address this important and sensitive issue that in the process of praising the child, let's not forget the effort that the child has put in. Because ultimately, the goal is to encourage. So let's not praise the child, let's praise the effort. Why am I pronouncing it or why am I going with this jerk on it? Because it's very important to understand that we have to make the children learn that effort is going to be there, challenges are going to be there. So if we just praise the child, for example, if my child has drawn a beautiful drawing, let me pick up a very simple example to explain what I'm trying to say. For example, if my daughter paints or draws beautifully, she colors beautifully. And if I'm going to praise her, that Priyal is doing this very nicely. Priyal does this excellent. Priyal ये बहुत अच्छा करती है. Priyal का coloring बहुत अच्छा है. Priyal का drawing बहुत अच्छा है. What happens? Let me put it in simple Hindi words. My daughter, मैं उसको चने के झाड़ पे चढ़ा रही हूँ. and she is now developing a superiority complex. But if I reframe my words, if I reframe my vocabulary, if I reframe what I'm talking to her, will make all the difference. So here, if she's drawn a beautiful butterfly, of course, as a mother, I have to encourage her. It's my duty. But as I said, praise word is a tool to be used wisely. So here what I will do is, wow, you've colored this butterfly so beautifully. What a choice of colors. What shading you've done. What shape of the butterfly has come out. So what happens here? The whole attention of my daughter is on the work that she has done. Earlier it was, Priyal, you did this very nicely. So she got stuck to that word, Priyal. I am addressing her, but I am addressing her effort even better, even more. So, my humble request to all the literate parents is that we love our children, we want them to be successful people in life. But if we do not sow the seeds of praise rightly, then what happens in the later age, these children who are praised unnecessarily, and I found, parents, they praise unnecessarily also. Kuch itna chota sa bhi kaam kiya hoga, so they will sing like anything. So what is the need of that? Why you want to make and build that superiority complex? And believe me, when these children reach, say, grade 4 or grade 5, they are so much into listening to those praises with their names that they cannot handle failure when their actual life begins. So, if for that matter they are playing a simple game with their friends, and if they lose that game, for example, it could be a snakes and ladder, it could be playing statue, or it could be anything with their friends. And if they fail, they will start crying, they will start throwing tantrums, they will quit to play, and they will not like to go and play, or they will come back to you and complain, see, they are not listening to me, and I'm not wrong and I'm right, and make them understand. And at times parents will jump in and try to make other children understand rather than making their own child understand. They will tell them कि बेटा ये समझ नहीं रहा है ना, थोड़ा आप समझो ना इसको. So why we need to cultivate these kind of habits? Because we eventually have to develop our children to such stage that they can open their eyes and face the adversity of life. Because life is never going to be smooth for anyone. If we see, अगर एक राजा का बेटा भी होगा तो उसको भी जंग लड़ना ही है. So it's not that, any person on this earth who is born has to live life. And there are struggles, there are challenges. It's not a cakewalk for anyone. बड़े बच्चे हैं, मतलब बड़े अमीरों के बच्चे हैं तो उनको ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है, गरीबों के बच्चे हो तो उनको अपनी प्रॉब्लम है. एवरी stage has a problem. So let's give our children wings of strength. लेट्स नॉट पोपला जिसको बोलते हैं ना गुजराती में हमें कहिए कि पोपला नो बनावी दो छोकराओने. डोंट मेक देम सो थिन skinned that if you tell them something they will start weeping and they'll start crying or throwing tantrums. We have to love children unconditionally, but we don't have to protect them all the time with these things, because we have to make them strong to face life. So please do not praise the child, praise the effort. And eventually, when you build this habit, gradually they will start understanding, or they will also form a habit that I have to focus on the work. Because if you have praised the work, and if sometimes the work is not good, they will not correlate that praising onto themselves. Because some children, they have that kind of a mentality. आप कुछ भी बोलोगे, you're not telling them also, then also they will take it onto themselves. So why? Because in the early years, it has been always driven to self, like they are self-driven. उनके ऊपर ही focus रहा है. So make a focus shift. Let's shift our focus from our children to the efforts that they are making. Because ultimately, what I feel is that to survive in life or to live life happily is the effort that is going to matter. So, my friends, this was for today. Tomorrow is Sunday, so I'm going to take a off. And again on Monday, I'm going to come with a wonderful game because Monday's day is allotted to the Games Corner. And thank you so much, parents, for reaching out to me. And yes, many parents at this point in time have reached out to me because of the online studies that are going on with the children. Sometimes the children are not able to understand, they are not able to get accustomed to the situation or the digital platform. Sometimes the parents feel frustrated. So, a lot of frustration is around us because we are fidgeting with a lot of things. So if you feel that you can vent it out to me, and if you feel that I can counsel and help you to understand and get out of that problem, do write to me, please, and I will be more than happy to address your issue and understand and make you understand at the best of my knowledge. So this is bye from my side, and don't forget to like and follow my page. And there is a get live notification button right there. So please click on that so that any hour on the day मैं प्रकट होंगी तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलेगा कि हर्षा मैम प्रकट हो चुके हैं. So you can come and join me. Also, important thing that yesterday on the Small Wonders group, I had mentioned that we are planning to reopen the Master Chef show, Mom Chef show. So, if any one of you feel that you cook wonderful and delicious dishes, please drop in your name in the comment section box. Also, I'm trying to create a day for DIY activities wherein I will invite the people who can show and demonstrate activities that can, those are, जो मतलब वेस्ट में से बेस्ट बना सकते हैं या कोई क्राफ्ट आर्टिकल्स आप बनाते हो एनीथिंग इफ यू मेक प्लीज रीच आउट टू मी so that we have a new segment to open and audience can get entertained and also in that process they can learn. So this is a bye from my side. Thank you. Thank you.